Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Xbox controller. So probably you have an issue with your Xbox controller, be it pairing issues or it's not working properly. You can simply reset this particular controller. It's pretty simple. So all you have to do is locate the sync button on your controller. So this is the sync button. Here it is on your controller. It's next to the USB port. So here is the sync button. Locate the sync button on the Xbox controller and then press and hold this button until you feel 2 vibrations on your controller and then release it. So to reset it, simply find the sync button and then press and hold that button. Press in and hold it until you feel 2 vibrations. So keep holding. You'll see the light flashing. So keep holding. Then you feel 2 vibrations, and that once you feel the 2 vibrations, release that button. And now you can see your controller has been turned off. So that's basically it on how to reset your controller, your Xbox controller, on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.